Hello, Vilp here and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G for unboxing. This is the cheapest model of Samsung phone that you can get which has 5G. It was launched like a month ago and now it's available in stores depending on your region. In Europe it starts at around 280 euros. It comes in different storage and here I have the 64 gigabytes version which comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM, and this is the awesome violet color. I'm not sure what awesome means here, but it's probably the latest marketing innovation that has happened to the phone industry. Now let's go and open the box. We have a very standard generic Samsung box here. Inside the box we get some paperwork that I'm not sure why do you still get them. Probably some law or something companies should follow. So we put the phone aside and we check what else comes inside the box. Probably nothing surprising. We get the charging cable. It's a USB Type-C, and then we have a fast charger coming with the phone. So fast compared to like 4 years ago, I would say, not compared to what is the standard now. It is branded as Samsung and it is 15 watts, so quite good compared to what we used to get before. And of course we have this same ejection tool as well. So this is the phone. It comes with 6.5-inch TFT display. So TFT displays are an advanced version of the LCDs. Their production cost is cheaper, but it also has a better contrast compared to LCD. For the chipset, Samsung has gone with the MediaTek this time, MediaTek 720. It's 5G capable and it's also supporting 90 Hertz for the display refresh rate. But here Samsung has decided not to use that. So it doesn't come with the 90 Hertz display. It comes with just regular display. It comes with 2 SIM card slots and one of them can be used as the expandable storage if you wish. In terms of build quality and the material used, I wasn't able to find any info. So I feel that if Samsung doesn't talk about it, most probably the whole phone is built from plastic. But certainly something for sure is that the phone doesn't feel cheap at all. The build quality is really good. The phone feels really good at hand and I really like this color as well. So touching the phone gives the same feeling as you are holding, for example, a phone built from glass and with metal body. It is heavy and it has some weight to it and I actually like that. And the whole shape of the phone, I think it's good and it's easy to hold. On the right side, we have the power button, which also acts as your fingerprint scanner, and then we have the volume rocker. And on the left side, we have only the SIM card slots. At the top, we have one microphone, and at the bottom, we have the headphone jack, which is quite normal to still have it on this price category. And we also have the charging port and the only speaker of the phone here. The frame of the phone is not matte, so it's quite shiny, at least in this color, but I believe in the other colors it should be the same. I think the whole idea of this is giving a feeling of a metal and I would say like more premium look, and Samsung has successfully done that. It feels premium. I mean, not really premium, but it feels really good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. We have 4 cameras on the back. The camera module design isn't my favorite. I think it's just like too much for me. I prefer to have a bit simpler way of doing this, just like how it's being done nowadays. For instance, on other Samsung devices or A50 series. We have a 48 megapixel lens as the main camera, and we have an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, which is really good to have, I think, in this price category. And we also have 2 more lenses or sensors for macro lens and the depth, which I would say are just useless and they exist mainly because of the marketing purposes. We have a 5000 mAh battery, and that is quite enough capacity for most users. I think probably not everyone can drain the battery on their daily usage. There are also other colors you can get this. It's black, blue, and white. Now let's go and put this up. I will fast forward this part and here we have it. Something that you immediately realize after seeing the display is the view angle of the display. The display is actually very bright and the colors look vibrant and good for this price point, but the view angle is quite narrow. Don't get me wrong, it is good for most of the users, but if you're really used to, for example, AMOLED displays, this will be noticeable. I think for this price range, it is very good display. You may not even notice that it's HD and not full HD, so the sharpness is quite good and acceptable. So I think for under $300 or euros phone, this can be a good option to go. Of course, the OnePlus Nord N100 and N10 can also be good contenders, but nowadays there are good options for different budgets, especially under 300 or 400, and I think that that's really good. The display has a drop notch where the selfie camera is located. It's 13 megapixel, so not punch hole, but it doesn't matter. I think this is already quite good with acceptable bezels. For the software, it comes with the Android 11 outside of the box and with Samsung One UI 3.1. So if you are following my channel, you know how I feel about Samsung UI in general, but anyhow, this is what you get. As I mentioned, we have the 5000 milliampere battery here, which I really like to see some benchmark to find out how durable it is in practice. Considering the HD display with no high refresh rate, I would expect to have a long battery life on this one. Let me know what you think, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comments and I will try to answer them whenever possible. And if you like my videos, a subscription is much appreciated. But that is it for now. I hope you liked this video and thanks for watching. Until the next one.